And we are in front of an Burstner Copa 500 Sport Edition, and we are checking all the specs and features, as this is a prototype from the Copa C500 with a final price of 82,454 euros. And also, this is also from the lineup from Burstner Individual. And we have a sitting place for 2 people. And when we enter inside, we have a small fridge compartment, Dometic standard burner stove, and also we have large compartment units under it. As you can understand, we have the pop-up roof folded up so I can stand and watch all the crowd outside and say hi. Well, let's get down to understand the backside of this prototype. We are getting on the back, and this is how it looks. From this side we have the water fill tank, and under it we have the cold water rain shower. Some storage units from Burstner, and this is the bed that you fold down for additional sleeping of 2. Additional cabinets on the top part, and on the bottom here will be the gas stove. And getting back to the final look of this prototype.